And there she goes, smashing off. I messed up on the video. She just told y'all she was a racer. But yep, back to this. We're in that 96 to 2002, I believe. Chevy 350. All right, we on the bus down. All right, there we go again. Back at it. Show y'all the update. Got everything broke down. Well, no we don't. But we got the front broke down. Sorry for the shadow, but hey, it is what it is. So what? Alright, we got the front broke down. Just quick update. Alright, y'all. Quick update. Got the head off. Driver's side head. You know, just busting down. Let y'all see all up in there. And this, once again, is the 880 number 2. As far as the walls, they look pretty cool. I don't really feel no ridges, nothing catch on my nail. You know, but we changing all this. Full rebuild kit, cam, everything. Right now we are undecisive on number 1's color and number 2's color. But one of them got to be bored 20 over because one kit is bored 20 over. All right, and once again, this is an 880, 96 to 02, I believe, block, number 2. All right, y'all. All right, we still out here in the dirty end, y'all. Still on that 880, number 2. And basically got the heads off. Got them over here. Got to do a leak test on them. Now we can go ahead and get those lifters out. All right. All right, so basically something we done ran into is we having trouble with these lifters. They're not really moving. So, well, they're not coming out. I can get most of them to move, but they're not really coming out. So we're using some of this, let me see, WD penetrating oil. So that, I'm gonna try with some needle nose pliers. Y'all remember this is one hand, so, and I'm in the sun, so I really can't even see what you guys can see. Alrighty. We don't need to keep track of the lifters or none of that because, oh, see, this one right here stuck. Oh, this one right here ain't good either. Alright, so we're gonna work on them some more and get back.